Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Mitsubishi Montero Sport's periodic maintenance reminder. First, locate the information display button, usually found near your instrument cluster. You'll need to press this button several times to cycle through the various display options. Keep pressing until you see the service reminder icon, which typically looks like a small wrench or a service due message, appear on your screen. Now that you've found the service reminder, the next step is to access the reset menu. With the wrench icon visible, press and hold the same information display button. You'll need to keep it pressed for about 5 to 10 seconds. After this duration, you should observe the wrench icon starting to flash, indicating that you have successfully entered the reset mode. With the wrench icon flashing, you are ready to confirm the reset. Give the information display button another quick, brief press. The display should then change to show a confirmation message, typically clear or reset, indicating that the maintenance reminder has been acknowledged. Once you see this confirmation, you can release the button. To finalize the process and verify the reset, first turn off your vehicle's ignition completely. Wait a few moments, then restart your engine. Observe the information display carefully. The wrench or service due icon should no longer be present, confirming that your Mitsubishi Montero Sport's periodic maintenance reminder has been successfully reset and cleared.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.